How to determine whether the press brake tooling needs to be replaced. Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about die wear on a press brake. During the operation of a press brake, both the upper die and the lower die will experience irreversible wear. When the die wear reaches a certain level, the dies need to be replaced with new ones. So how do we check the degree of die wear? Let's take a look together. You can inspect the bottom of the upper die. There is an R radius edge, approximately 0.3 or 0.5. If the R radius shows pitting or uneven surfaces, it indicates severe wear and that the die needs to be replaced. After installing the die, check the joint between the dies. That is, the connecting position of the dies. If there is any front to back or height misalignment, you can also determine whether the die needs replacement. Next, inspect the lower die. The lower die also has two edges. If either edge is deformed, or if the R radius is pitted or uneven, it indicates that the lower die needs to be replaced. If there is a height difference at the joint between the two lower die segments, or if the V-groove is misaligned, this also indicates that the lower die needs replacement. The base should also be checked to see whether it is deformed.